Breaking news coming in. Sources are telling India Today that Kapil Mishra of the Aam Aadmi Party is to be the likely new minister in the Kejriwal cabinet. He is likely to take up law and tourism departments. Arvind Kejriwal and Manish Sisodia are likely to meet Jung, the Lieutenant Governor, and also brief him about the discussion. Remember, the Delhi former Law Minister Jitendra Singh Tomar was arrested yesterday, and in fact, that probe continues into that fake degree scandal. Joining me with the latest is Ankit Tyagi. Ankit, first of all, tell us a little more about Kapil Mishra. Really, we know that he's an AAP MLA, but what more in his profile, in fact, qualifies him to take up the law portfolio?
Well, Kapil Mishra has been a close confidant as far as Arvind Kejriwal is concerned. He has been with the Aam Aadmi Party right through the movement when they were India Against Corruption. He has fought on the Aam Aadmi Party ticket thrice, and this is the first time he has in fact become an MLA. And apart from that, he has in fact, he's also the vice chairman of the Delhi Jal Board. So he is one of the key faces as far as the Aam Aadmi Party's new generation of leaders is concerned in Delhi. And also Smita, Kapil Mishra, in fact, has been one who has also played a very crucial role when Arvind Kejriwal went to Banaras to fight elections. In fact, he was there, stationed there for a very long time. So
yes,
he enjoys the trust of the Chief Minister. He was also, his name was doing around when first time the government in fact took charge, and there was speculation that he might find himself cabinet berth. It was a surprise that he did not. And now, after the Law Minister Jitendra Singh Tomar has been sent into police custody, and this case involving him, Kapil Mishra, my sources have in fact confirmed to me, is going to be the new Law and Tourism Minister of Delhi.
Okay, so it's almost set now, Ankit. You mean to say that there are no other, in fact, names that are doing the rounds along with Kapil Mishra?
Not at all. From the highest sources in the Aam Aadmi Party, I can tell you that decision has been taken. Kapil Mishra will be the new Law and Tourism Minister at 3 p.m. Most likely, the Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister are going to meet the Lieutenant Governor.
Okay.
They will hand over their resignation of Jitendra Singh Tomar and also apprise him about the new portfolio.
Thank you for getting us the latest. Ankit Tyagi there with the breaking news. Sources telling India Today that Kapil Mishra is all set to be Delhi's new Law Minister, replacing, of course, Jitendra Tomar, who was arrested yesterday. Meanwhile, the Delhi High Court has refused to stay the centre's notification barring the Anti-Corruption Bureau from acting against its officers, hearing on a fresh PIL filed in the matter. The court refused to stay the 21st of May notification issued by the MHA that gave primacy to LG Najib Jung when it comes to key appointments and transfers. The Aam Aadmi Party government had challenged the notification, contending that it violated the constitutional provisions. And the court said that the LG would continue to take decisions on the Delhi government's request to place certain officers till a final decision was taken on the writ petition. And with this direction, the court effectively refused to change the primacy given by the notification to the LG in the capital's administrative setup. So this comes as another, in fact, a setback in a way to the Aam Aadmi Party. No interim, in fact, relief there. Because remember, there is that final ruling also that has to become on that written verdict. But the Delhi High Court so far, in fact, not willing to stay that Ministry of Home Affairs notification. It's okay.